If your car battery dies, would you trust a 2.5-pound device to bring it back to life in seconds? I took a deep look at the NOCO GB40, one of the most talked about portable jump starters on the market. The GB40 is a 1,000 ampere lithium jump starter designed for 12-volt vehicles with up to 6-liter gas or 3-liter diesel engines. It's compact, safe, and packed with features that make it ideal for outdoor use, road trips, or just everyday peace of mind. In this video, I'll break down what it does, what makes it unique, and whether it's actually worth keeping in your glove box or gear kit. First impressions and unboxing. Inside the box, you get the NOCO GB40 jump starter, a set of heavy-duty jumper clamps, a USB-C charging cable, and a microfiber storage bag. Everything comes neatly packaged, and the unit itself feels solid, compact, but tough. The first thing that stands out is the build quality. It's rubberized all around, giving it a rugged feel that seems ready for roadside emergencies, bad weather, or life in the trunk. Key features and specifications. Delivers 1,000 ampere of peak current, up to 20 jump starts per charge. USB power bank for charging phones, tablets, and other devices. Built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and strobe. Spark-proof and reverse polarity protection for safer use. Fully recharges in around 3 hours via USB. IP65 water-resistant housing, great for outdoor or emergency use. Compact size, about the size of a paperback book. Pros: powerful enough for most gas and diesel vehicles. Compact and lightweight, safe and easy to use. Doubles as a power bank and flashlight. Rugged, water-resistant design. Cons: doesn't include a wall charger, just a USB cable. Not designed for very large diesel trucks or commercial engines. Slightly higher price point compared to some generic models. If you're looking for a compact jump starter that just works, no sparks, no guessing, no stress, the NOCO GB40 is one of the most dependable options out there. It's not the cheapest, but you're paying for trusted performance, smart safety, and real-world versatility. And if this review helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tool reviews, and drop a comment below if you've got experience with the GB40. Or if there's another tool you want me to cover next.